Yo man, what is good with the YouTube? So Raymond HTX, we are back in the flesh, baby. We at Cars and Coffee, January 7th out here in Post HTX. Say man, we got Lambos, Huracans, SVJs, Vencedors are going crazy. Then we got some Audi R8s, we got some Sennas, we got a whole bunch of old schools, man. So y'all hope y'all enjoy this content. Y'all remember like, comment, share, subscribe. We haven't been posting, been active, but we back at it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, go drop a like and comment, and we back, baby. I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel. And yeah, man, let's get it. Say man, so I believe we got a whole finesse concepts right here, and these three first trucks, but I could be wrong. Then we got Scarface over there in the back, right there. So man, shout out to Scarface. He gave me a shout out in the last vlog. Real cool dude, humble, real cool, man. Go get y'all meet your live mix por todos lados. I should have brought my ND filter. I know, I'm messing up, bro. All my I got mine in the car. Man, I'm lacking. My bad if y'all see the sun glare in the thing in the camera, because I forgot my ND filter in the car. I might go get it, to be honest, to bring that quality content. And yeah, man, I have a lot of rain in my head, man. It rained on us and everything. This thing crazy. STO joint. Woo. Yeah, that joint's pressure. I ain't gonna lie, man, this is one of my dream whips. I want that Vencedor SVJ or STO.
Nah, fuck the Vencedor, bro. What I want, bro, I want a 1968, bro, fucking GTO, bro, like the one from fucking Triple X.
All right. Hey, we got CC in the room. Yes, sir. She did. Hey. Nasty. Front canards right there. Pressure, man. It's lit. Somebody over there spraying nitrous. Oh. Right. 62. My sun's going down. City. Martinez Productions, Model CC, real cool people. And yeah, man, I'm gonna show you these Lambos. Talk about crazy, man, crazy. Got some C8s over here. Got that beautiful blue, man, that metallic blue. R8 joint. Yeah, man, that thing is pressure. Let me show y'all these Lambos over here. Say man, this is my ultimate dream whip right here. We got carbon fiber everywhere. I think this is the SV. They got 3 SVJs over there, but I'm talking about pressure. Y'all can see the color flip right here. Yeah, man, that thing is pressure. Also, this color right here, same thing. Got a crazy color flip, man. That thing's beautiful. Every single one of these, man. Every single one. Pressure. This how I want my team, man. This is how I want my team lined up. Beautiful. Rained on us. Y'all see some cars with all them wet specs on it. Because it rained on us earlier, so as y'all can see on the ground. Wet everybody, I'm talking about everybody was running everywhere. Got people in the ceiling. I mean, not on the ceiling, but on the roof. Yeah, man, we outside, look beautiful. Got that beautiful carbon fiber.
Get on the cut, we out here, bro.
Bro, this arrow on this SVJ carbon fiber is crazy. Say, man, all this stuff is different, man, when you in person. If y'all ever get a chance, man, to come out of Cars and Coffee, y'all need to go ahead and get that done, man. It's different when you hear it in person, man. It's 765 LC joint. Ooh, pressure, man.
Have you seen this light blue 350?
Thing is beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah,
That was incredible.
my first time.
Yeah.
Thing is nice, man. Got this purple Lamborghini. I think it's STO. Oh no, I don't know what it is. Yeah, man, it's more packed than when I came last time. Oh yeah, it is an STO. This thing is pressure. Yeah, man, this the ultimate right here, man. This the dream goal right here. You get an STO, man, you made it. Show you the crowd right now. I ain't gonna lie, them GT3s, them Porsches, 911s, if I'm not mistaken, they're growing on me, man. They really are. Got this other beautiful Lamborghini, man. This thing like matte gray. Gorgeous. Old school Porsche. Got that Stuart Little joint. Stuart Little whipping in that boy. Space Media, where you at? Got that Stuart Little joint. Full blown rally car, man. Remind me of Ken Block, man. Rest in peace. Real nice. Beautiful. Got that Back to the Future joint. Seeing you right back. You say, yo, girl, you want to act up? All right.
And they be saying, oh, man, all dudes are perm.
You said what?
And they be saying, all dudes are perm. So they're like, oh.
About turn.
My boy brought his tank to that boy. My boy ready for a zombie apocalypse. Gotta show love to the bikes, man. Got that Ducati, Jones pressure. Got them Groms outside. They brought them out. Whole Grom game. I ain't gonna lie, if you wanna start learning how to ride, get you a Grom. I ain't gonna hold you. I learned on a R6. Boy, nice. I'll give me another jig. Ooh, I was about to say something, Nate, guys. I lost the train of thought. T-Rex outside, boy. I'm about 260. I could have beaten that boy. I think that thing got a weight limit.
Hey, yeah, nigga. Just me by myself, bro. I'm like 300 pounds, bro.
Say, man, if you haven't already, go subscribe and follow, man, Ellis Scarface Ruben on Instagram and YouTube, man. Big shout out to him. Every time he sees us at a show, he's always showing love, man. So big shout out to him once again. They work behind the camera. I'm telling them, got these kids around, man. You know what I'm saying? But everything all great, man. Everybody's leaving the show right now. I mean, show the Cars and Coffee. Everything's pretty. They got the ground rolling out. Scarface right here, man. So go follow him on Instagram and YouTube. All right, so I see you in this floor. What do you do for a living?
Shit, I'm enough.
What do you do for a living?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans? Oh, okay, cool. Where can people follow you at?
Cecilia GOX.
Where?
On Instagram.
On Instagram? Alright, bet.
Cuidado porque le pegan, bro. Ahí está el vato.
Oh, yeah. Don't follow, don't subscribe to the OnlyFans.
Oh, show me link.
My bad if y'all see the glare. My ND filter is in the car. So that's my fault if y'all see that glare of the light. Scarface was saying they need to bring more trucks out. Trucks out here showing out. Thing on billets, that thing is nasty. Oh, wow, Forgiatos. That boy turned up. Ooh, the flakes in that boy. He on him, man. Yes, oh, he got gold on that boy.
I've been
working,
Hey man,
recording
behind the
already.
scenes, man,
I
behind the
took over
scenes.
Gina with one of my girls, Cece. Scarface knows her.
I give you guys permission to use your girl to take pictures of my truck. That's okay.
I just found out the dude that sponsors Scarface is his with the brand new joint. It's live.
No, it's not.
It's not Mars. Thing is raw, boy.
Yeah, wait, I mean.
That's that Ducati right there. I think it's a 911 or 9. I don't know. Don't give me the line. And it got like a pearl on this joint. So we got a S550. S550. I did not know a girl drives that Mustang. That joint is pressure. So we got that one. This joint here is raw right here. Slime, savage. So shout out to you, that joint's pressure. Then we got this Z06. What the fuck? That boy ready. Boy ready for Armageddon. Say man, so one thing I'm gonna tell y'all once again, shout out to Scarface, man. He shows a lot of love, no matter who you are, what kind of business you run. He's gonna always show support. And real quick, I'm gonna give a big shout out to my boy Young Swan, YUNGSPWAN on YouTube, man. Go check out his music. That's my dog, man. Go support him. You know, he supports my channel, so yeah, big shout out to my boy. And yeah, y'all go support that boy, man. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're finna take Scarface and I think a crew from Finesse Concepts out to do a photo shoot / video shoot. I'm not too sure, but once I figure it out, I'm gonna record a little bit what I can for y'all. Say man, so we got the trucks outside. We in downtown, we in the city. As you can see, we got the whips in the back. Scarface got his truck lined up right now. Take pictures, man. It's lit. Everything good. So they actually planned out better than what I thought it was gonna be. And just like everybody was saying, every Cars and Coffee, man, it always grows each and every time. There's always, you know what I'm saying, more people coming, better cars coming. And yeah, y'all see the trucks are outside. Camera is on the second life of battery, or second battery, but say, man, gotta do what we can. Say, man, so I appreciate everybody for checking out the channel. Y'all remember to go like, comment, share, subscribe. That's gonna be the end of this video. As you can see, we changed into my iPhone 14 Pro Max camera because my camera died. So, and I warned y'all about that too. So yeah, man, comment down below. I'm gonna let y'all know where I've been and how and why I've been MIA. So yeah, man, y'all remember to go drop a like and comment. Big shout out to Scarface once again for showing love, and the rest of the team out here, and also the team from Finesse Concepts. Shout out to them, man. We out with another video. Let's get it, baby. 2023. We up.
Sit back and let the youngest run around. We got fish scale when you whip it. Gotta work your wrist well at the trap spot. You know we got a bunch of blicks there. Tell them get back. You know that's what that gang gon' do. Go to jail a couple months and watch them change on you.